Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new Winter Mandarin Duck in Heartopia. First, just go to the NPC Bailey J and join the Winter Bird Watching event. You have two options: join the event hosted by Bailey J every day at 4 p.m. server time, or just start the event yourself. And after that, just play it in event normally like you always do like this. And now here's the important part. If you are lucky, a secret phase or extra phase will appear near the end of the event like this. And this is where the Winter Mandarin Duck shows up like this. So just capture or scanner the birds to get the new info birds, and you might not get it on your first try since it's RNG based, so just repeat the event until it appears like this, and you will get the new Winter Mandarin Duck on Heartopia. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!